Part of what my friend sold me on with Origin, when I showed it to him that I'm considering getting this thing, he was instantly like, oh yeah, that's a no-brainer. And one of the points he made was, well, you know, there's a level of experience and perfection that I apply to things that I touch with my hands. And he said, this thing will allow you to scale yourself to a point. Like you could actually bring someone into your shop and you can give them Rhino files and say, hey, can you cut all these shapes out? And they don't have to be the best woodworker in the world. You know, they just need to know how to focus and hold a device in their hands, and then they will get the same end result that I would, not having the same depth of experience in woodworking as someone like me might. It's a great sell. It lets me scale. And the Shaper Origin really comes in play because the versatility of not having a quarter of the shop or a sixth of the shop taken up by a gantry CNC is huge. It's a very important tool in my toolbox these days. I'd say to someone considering the Shaper Origin, if you're serious about your woodworking and streamlining your operation, your custom woodworking operation a bit more, the sooner you buy it, the better. Get it now.